Big Bird. This is Shithawk online. Going through the middle. Making a pass through the middle. I'm going for that. On him.
There's another
Jumped
one.
out. He bailed. He bailed.
One heading for you, evasive? Nah. He's shooting their jet.
Yeah, he...
We own objective Alpha.
Scoped. Oh, I got a jet too. You're on him? See ya. Hey, he's hit again. I'm trying to fight it with this tank. I'll pop out the top.
I hit him once.
You got a couple hits on him.
Done.
Already hopped. Bogey on me. I'm on him. The AA. Another one on me.
We now control objective Charlie.
Alright.
You're in?
Yeah, now we're moving. Fast boy, looks like he's coming towards you. Nope, he doubled up for the bomber. He's going up. My boy, I see ya.
Objective Foxtrot now neutralized.
That was on your screen.
Yeah, that was like upside down. Enemy bird down low.
Objective Foxtrot has been neutralized.
Hey, I think he was trying to come for you. I'm on him.
Took objective Foxtrot.
Come on, dude. You're making it too easy for me. It's too easy. Oh, dude, both of them. Right in front of me. Oh, I'm on him. Go fly by. Went up, I'm on him.
Objective Alpha is neutralized.
Oh no, what the I think he bailed out like right when I was on him. I'm good. He's out though. They're all gone, I gotta get repaired. I think there's a yep, jets in.
We have now taken objective Alpha.
To your left, yeah, he's low. Hey, it's the same thing to me. He's on you, keep evasive. I got him.
Are you alive?
Yeah, I'm good.
My shit is
Yeah, he's like,
We now control objective
here,
Foxtrot.
man, trying to get a...
Just put the...
There we go.
down.
Oh, there's another one on me.
Looks like we have enemy aircraft operating west of your location.
Not today, buddy. Where's your... You got it.
Did you see that?
I'm watching. You banged out?
No. That was probably my best ever actual move. That was crazy. I need that to get clipped. 26. Gotta write that down.
I'm like right behind you. I was watching.